Hey everyone, welcome back to How to 360. Today we're making an elegant appetizer that's perfect for the holidays or, honestly, any special occasion. Cranberry fig goat cheese crostini. Sweet, tangy, and beautifully balanced, this bite-sized treat will impress any crowd. Before we get started, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing our viewers from around the world. And don't worry, the full recipe and ingredient list are in the description below. Here's everything you'll need to make these sweet, savory, and stunning crostini appetizers. You'll want 1 baguette, sliced into 24 pieces, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or melted butter for brushing, 6 ounces of softened goat cheese, half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of chopped dried figs, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and if you like, 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Don't forget some fresh thyme or rosemary for garnish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush each baguette slice with olive oil or melted butter and place them on a baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until they're crisp and golden around the edges. This will be the perfect base for your toppings. In a small saucepan, go ahead and combine cranberries, figs, honey, and balsamic vinegar. Cook over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, and make sure to stir every so often, until the mixture thickens up and becomes nice and syrupy. If you like a little citrus note, you can totally add some orange zest at this point. Let it cool just a bit before you use it to top your crostini. Spread a generous layer of goat cheese on each toasted baguette slice. Then, top each one with a spoonful of that cranberry fig mixture, and finish with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. It's honestly the perfect blend of creamy, tangy, and sweet in every single bite. Serve these cranberry fig goat cheese crostini warm or at room temperature. They're elegant, super easy to make, and honestly guaranteed to impress at any holiday gathering or dinner party. And that's it. You've made cranberry fig goat cheese crostini, a sweet, tangy, and savory appetizer that's as beautiful as it is delicious. The full recipe and ingredient list are in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another tasty creation from How to 360.